witness the raw power of nature as massive lava flows pour from a volcano in Iceland, lighting up the sky and captivating everyone with its fiery display. In the town of Topolki, Russia, a burst water system combined with freezing winds created this extraordinary ice formation, towering like a frozen mountain.
Damn! Oh, holy crap! Whoa! Did I get it? Ah, not really. Oh, yeah!
Look at this. What seems like a single creature is actually a sapphinophore, a deep-sea colony made of thousands of tiny organisms moving together as one mesmerizing being.
Wesley, aí tá a cobra, Wesley. Dá aquela que dava 20 metros que tu falou? Olha o tamanho dessa aqui, ó. Olha o tamanho dessa criança. Tá aí precisando...
Straight out of the Predator movie, isn't it?
Yeah, look, scary, right?
A parasite that eats a fish's tongue and then lives inside its mouth, acting as the new tongue.
Scary, right?
This is the tongue-eating louse, one of the ocean's strangest creatures.
Almost looks as handsome as you, Steve.
Wow, this is absolutely mind-blowing. These birds strike a perfect flamingo pose, but they're not flamingos at all. Look at this incredible sight, a volcano releasing perfect smoke rings into the sky. This incredible bubbling mud pool was recorded in Grobogan, a region in central Java, Indonesia. It's a rare geothermal phenomenon where gas or water pressure causes the mud to violently erupt, creating scenes like this one that look straight out of a sci-fi movie.
Oh, where'd he go? He's gone! Hey, Tommy!
Eh, bye, ayo.
Captured in a remote region of India, this powerful footage shows the devastating force of river erosion. As the relentless current carves away the hillside, an entire house suddenly collapses into the valley.
का पहला रोज खत्म हो रहा है और आज भी इस आग की शिद्दत में
In Karachi, Koranki area, a routine borehole drilling took a terrifying turn as flames suddenly erupted from deep underground. Experts are still investigating, but an underground gas buildup is the suspected cause.
है कि ये पानी जो पानी यहाँ पे इसको बुझाने के लिए डाला गया था, उस पानी को देखें किस प्रेशर के साथ ये उबाल रही है। तो इससे इस बात का अंदाजा होता है कि इस जमीन के अंदर कोई ना कोई
Name sukacha sili. Ini dulu. Wadah lah, ana su kira na deh, kinje kira aja deh.